So we randomly decided to go to this shop based on finding someone on Instagram. We saw that they had like some track days that they held. We didn't even know if they were a real shop. And so we took an hour bus ride out here, random industrial lot. Go in, kind of looks pretty cool, but it's hard to tell. And then mind's blown. Crazy.
Which is amazing. Just from the outside, look like ordinary warehouses.
Yes. This one here. Wow. But it's KD 16. But it's thinner still. Half the thing. Okay, so this is the fastest Mini in Japan that's all steel body. But the steel on the roof, they actually cut the roof off and remade the roof in steel that's half the thickness of normal steel on the Mini.
Slightly bended.
Yeah, so that it can still be classified as an all steel Mini. And it has a KD 16 valve engine. What are the track times for this? Do you remember?
1 minute 2.
It's Tsukuba?
Tsukuba.
Look at the tires.
That chassis is a Lotus 26R genuine one.
You need to start a museum.
Each chassis is like that. Double skin. But the original one is single.
Interesting.
So many different points.
Yeah.
Here. And the original Lotus kind of arm hasn't this section. Just only.
Yeah. Just
this
very
is,
basic. But this is all.
duty, right?
Yeah. So this was for racing. It's amazing how modern the suspension looks. You look at a modern race car, it's all, you know,
The body is completely
Really? What class did this race in?
motor class.
Mod class.
Yeah.
So almost no limits to what you can do. It's still running an A series engine? Yeah.
And then, but the twin cam.
Twin cam, yeah. 1.4?
Yeah.
Yeah, nearly, yeah. Yeah, I have his DVD.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you know the building the A series engine? This is his car.
We learned how to rebuild transmissions from
him.
him.
Look at the interior, it's like, it's basically not a Mini anymore. It's still trailing arms.
Yeah, the design is very similar to the original one.
Yeah.
But the material is alloy.
Oh, okay. A perfect replica of Nick Swift's car. He wanted to build exactly his, so in every detail it's the same. Only in Japan.
Yeah, we want like 100 plates. Going one by the menu?
Yeah.
You alright there, buddy?